Hello, my Python scholars. I'm doing a repeat of our lesson unit 3. And in unit 3, you are learning how to print and do user input with Python programming. This was our lesson through, this was 22 and 23 this week. Just a little mindful minute. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. So let that sink in and pause for that minute. Essentially, I just want to get you caught up for those who have been out or just didn't realize everything that we had to do for this week and last week. So essentially, you should have completed lesson 3.1, printing in Python, because at the end we have this amazing Mad Libs generator project that we have been working on. So for instance, your lesson 3.1, printing in Python, there is a tutorial video that I provide. You will need to complete the check for understanding quiz, and there are 3 coding practices within this lesson. Make sure that you are checking it off. This is how you're monitoring and tracking your progress. Lesson 3.2 is variables and the different data types, which we're going to learn integer, string, and a float, which is the exciting one that we haven't talked too much about. And again, you need to complete your check for understanding quiz, and you need to complete your coding practices. There are only 2 within lesson 3.2, which is 3.26, 3.27. And again, check it off, and then you're going to get your mastery check. For lesson 3.3, which is the user input, which is the most important with the project that you're going to be, the mini project that you're going to be doing with Mad Libs generator project. So there's only, again, 2 coding practices that you need to focus in your attention to. And then lesson 3.4 is math operators. There's only 2 lessons in there that you need to complete. And then the project, which I'm going to go in further detail. So again, just so you can see it up close, again, all of the blue dots is you must do for the grade, and then the red is recommended for your learning. So this is for lesson 3.1. And then we have lesson 3.2. Again, you have the blue dots, must do. That is what you have for grades. Continue to learn and grow, please. And then lesson 3.3, again, same structure. The blue dots are definitely for grading. The red is for recommended learning. And then last but not least, we have the mathematical operators. Again, it is 2 coding practice, and then there's your check for understanding, and you do have the video to go back to as well. So, newsflash, if you did not remember, you can retake your check for understanding if you did not do so. And you will not get penalized. I just want to see your learning gains. Okay. And so, with that being said, I'm going to share with you the next session. Happy coding.